checking out this VEVOR burnishing polishing machine that we got for free in exchange for our honest and unbiased review. So first off, it's got a powerful motor, 1300 watts, which means it doesn't mess around when it comes to polishing. So it feels like it's built for really heavy duty work, but it's also great for those DIY projects. One of the best features for us is the 6-speed adjustment. So you can dial it down for finer polishing or crank it up to really tackle those rougher surfaces. It does range from 1,120 to 3,410 RPM, so it covers everything that we need. The steel wire burnishing wheel is another great part too. It's perfect for getting rid of rust or any oxide layers that might build up on something, and it really leaves a nice smooth finish, which is exactly what we're looking for in a tool like this. It's also built tough, so the aluminum body is durable, and both the main handle and the auxiliary handle have a nice grip, which makes it feel really stable when you're using it, especially at those higher speeds. So honestly, it's really versatile. We've used it on stainless steel, but it's also good for non-ferrous metals and even wood, which makes it perfect for a variety of projects. So if you've got a workshop like us or just like having something, reliable tools at home, this is a solid pick. So all in all, it's been a great tool to have around. So if you're looking for something that's powerful, durable, and flexible for different materials, this VEVOR burnishing polishing machine is definitely worth checking out.